Get ready for an exciting opportunity. The 2025 recruitment drive for Ghana's essential services is now live, offering a chance to join the Ghana Police Service, Ghana National Fire Service, Ghana Immigration Service, and Ghana Prison Service. But here's where it gets controversial. The Ministry of the Interior has implemented a centralized, merit-based system, aiming for fairness and transparency. Applications are now open. You can apply from the comfort of your home, but there's a catch. The process is entirely digital, so get ready to navigate the online portal. The application period runs from November 17th to December 19th, 2025, and here's the best part. It's completely free. However, with great power comes great responsibility. And in this case, that means not paying anyone for assistance, as it could lead to fraudulent activities. Eligibility is key. This recruitment drive is open to qualified Ghanaians, but the requirements vary across the 4 services. So, make sure you carefully review the eligibility criteria before applying. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. Check eligibility and prepare documents. Ensure you meet the criteria for your chosen service and category. General requirements include being a Ghanaian by birth, having a clean criminal record, and being in good physical and mental health. Gather all the necessary documents, scan them, and ensure they are in PNG or JPG format, not exceeding 1.5 megabytes each. Purchase an E-Voucher. Buy a service-specific E-Voucher to ensure your application is correctly routed. You can pay via mobile money by dialing 71303# on any network or visit any GCB bank branch. After purchase, you'll receive a PIN and serial number via SMS or email, which you must keep safe. Access the portal and create an account. Visit the official Centralized Services E-Recruitment portal at https://ccircgh.com using a computer or mobile device. Select the Apply Now or Register button, enter your voucher details to activate your account, and provide basic personal information. Complete the online form. Fill in all required details, including personal, academic, and geographic information. Select your preferred service and category. And upload all necessary documents. Accuracy is vital. Providing false information will lead to automatic disqualification. Once done, submit the form and wait for a confirmation message with your application ID. Monitor the portal for shortlisting. Shortlisted applicants will be notified via SMS, email, and the portal. Screening includes aptitude tests, physical assessments, medical examinations, and interviews, which will be conducted at designated regional centers to reduce congestion. And this is the part most people miss. The eligibility criteria vary depending on the category you're applying for. For instance, the age requirements differ for general duty recruits, tradesmen, graduates, and professionals. The height requirements also vary, with specific standards for males and females in each service. Additionally, the educational qualifications needed for general duty roles differ from those required for tradesmen, graduates, and medical professionals. So make sure you understand the specific requirements for your chosen category. Remember, this recruitment drive is a great opportunity to serve your country and make a difference. But with great power comes great responsibility, so ensure you follow the process diligently and rely only on official information. So, are you ready to take on this challenge? Apply now and be part of Ghana's internal security services. P.S. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your stories and discuss any challenges or successes you encounter during the application process.